Here we go with a lion. We start with a squarish looking body. Just think of shapes, just simple shapes. And then the head is a big, like a big egg. Some front paws, just make a little line that appears like the front legs. Then the other side leg, only the two front legs will show and only one back leg will show. Just a C, draw a C, and then down, kind of a L shape. We're gonna do a nice long lion's tail. I kind of made it kind of long there, and I'm gonna make the end, and I'll erase that extra little line later. And the paw there, and front paw. They have big feet, so nice big lion paws. And an ear on that side and an ear on that side. And mane, just make some nice chickadee mane there. And I made a boo-boo, and I'm gonna go back and fix it. Because the hair kind of needs to flow down and look like it's in the right direction, so I'll kind of erase that. Do a little erasing here where we don't need those extra lines. And we'll do that and then continue on and finish the lion's face with a triangle shape, pretty much, rounded at the bottom. Just cross there, and how his nose goes. And a W for the mouth. Some little eyes at the top. And, you know, these are whimsical eyes for this lion. They probably wouldn't like that in real life. They wouldn't look like that. But here it's a cartoonish lion. But he looks very fun, I think. And little whiskery dots. Make some jackety lines around his face where the mane attaches. And there you go. We'll put a few more lines to define the mane. All that hair around his face makes him look like a king of the jungle. Now he's magnificent. A few little touch-ups. And I'm gonna define it a little more with the pencil because it's not real dark. But if I use a pencil, you can see where I erase better. There you go.